To fully exploit the benefits of light speed, some simple guidelines should be followed during handling. These are demonstrated in the following section of the film. During the removal process, a maximum of 20 to 25 needles should be removed at any one time. During removal, take care to ensure that bending and entanglements are avoided. Do not press the needle hook area to remove the needles from the cylinder. After removal from the machine, do not leave the needles loose in the tray. Needles should be firmly tied with thread in front of the crimp area and on the back shank. When tying the threads, do not apply too much pressure. This may cause the needles to bend. A maximum of 20 to 25 needles can be tied for a single bundle. While tying, please avoid the area with the grinding. Do not use rubber bands for tying. Needles should lie uniformly with all the hooks facing in the same direction. The tied needles should lie properly. While laying the needles, make sure there are no entanglements. Pour the recommended cleaning oil to fully immerse the needles in oil. Allow the cleaning oil to stand for minimum 1 hour. Clean the back punch and latch slot areas of the needles with compressed air. Maintain air pressure limit 1.5 to 2.0 bar. Do not use petrol, diesel, knitting oil, etc. for the cleaning process. Also, do not use any cloth for wiping the needles. Pour the recommended cleaning oil into the needle and sinker tricks and leave for a minimum of 1 hour. The tricks should be cleaned using compressed air set at a pressure of 4 to 5 bar. For cleaning the hardened sticky fluff inside the cylinder trick, use a proper trick cleaning tool. Do not use needles for trick cleaning. Avoid wiping the cylinder using cloth. Make sure you avoid entanglement while untying the needles. Untie the needles carefully and insert them. Insert a maximum of 20 to 25 needles at a time. Avoid entanglements and bending while inserting the needles. Numerous long-term benefits in terms of higher productivity, consistent quality and lower maintenance costs can be achieved by adhering to these simple guidelines. The special bundling of sinkers reduces handling time and also shortens setup time, which in turn can lower the customer's production costs. At the time of cleaning, the sinkers can easily be removed from the machine by lifting them out with a specially designed retainer. Thus, the time-consuming task of lining them up after cleaning is avoided. The packaging also facilitates the safe storage of used sinkers after cleaning, till the time they are required to be placed in the knitting machine again. The light-speed needle and the special bundling of sinkers epitomize the ongoing endeavor at Groz Beckert to support the knitting industry by developing innovative products that help customers to cut costs, enhance productivity, and boost profits.